Governor Siminalayi Fubara backs down, withdraws appeal over controversial 2024 Rivers budget. Exactly. So that is what we're saying, that he withdrew the case because event has overtaken it. And he knows what he's doing. That is it. People don't understand. Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State has withdrawn his appeal against the judgment of the appeal court which declared the 2024 state budget, Rivers State budget, illegal. Okay. Governor Fubara of Rivers State has withdrawn his appeal number. This is at the Supreme Court against the appeal court judgment declaring 2024 budget of the state illegal and ordering him to represent the budget to the House of Assembly led by Right Honorable Amaewhule. That is it. That issue is overtaken by event. This was revealed in a post by Larry Olayinka on his X handle. The withdrawn case, the withdrawn appeal was referenced as appeal number SC/CV/1071/2024. The appeal court had upheld an earlier ruling by Justice J.K. Omotosho in suit number Federal High Court Abuja 1613/2023. So Justice Omotosho ruled that Governor Fubara must represent the 2024 budget to the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Speaker Right Honorable Amaewhule. The court found the budget's prior presentation to only 3 members of their state assembly unconstitutional and invalid. But it did not consider that the other members of the assembly had defected and are now also null and void. Sometimes this is a Omotosho, sometimes. I'm telling you, this is influence judgment. So the full story reads: Governor Fubara of Rivers State has withdrawn his appeal against the appeal court judgment, declaring the 2024 budget of the state illegal and ordering him to represent the budget to the House of Assembly led by Right Honorable Amaewhule. So the appeal court had upheld the judgment of Justice J.K. Omotosho in Federal High Court suit, wherein the court ruled that Governor Fubara should represent the 2024 budget to the House of Assembly, led by Amaewhule. So by this withdrawal, Governor Fubara has assented the lower and appellate court judgment, declaring presentation of the Rivers State budget to 3 members of the State House of Assembly as illegal. It's not illegal. I'm telling you, it's not illegal. Event has overtaken it. That is just what it is. Event has overtaken it. No two ways about it. Event has overtaken it. So let's be sure. Let's be sure we know what we are saying. Event has overtaken it. So let's forget about this matter. I'm telling you, event has overtaken it full time. So now that the case has been withdrawn, what next? That is the question. I know they said I awarded 2 million naira or 4 million naira against Fubara to pay to Amaewhule Group, and I'm sure that money has been paid and forgotten. Well, that event has passed and they can't go back to it. They can't just go back to it. That is the truth. Okay, somebody will say they will call it a landmark judgment because it's in their favor. On the contrary, the court has compromised. That's Nigeria for you. Fubara was beaten twice shy. The guy knows what he's doing. I said it. Those political prostitutes and trouble brewers that are in the business of misleading every governor that comes to power in Rivers State were behind Fubara's political miscalculation. Was legal in presenting state budget before 3 members instead of 27 members of the State House of Assembly that's legally constituted. The next in the agenda is his impeachment. Now, story you did. You don't know what they talk. You don't know what they talk. You've forgotten that the Supreme Court also has it established that once a lawmaker defects from his political party to another party, when there's no problem in that political party, they have lost their seat. You don't know that judgment, Abi? I'm speaking English. Fubara is very clever. Supreme Court would have handed him a serious judgment that can really affect him. He better make peace with the House so that his presentation can sail through without being haunted. Nothing. He's not representing anything. Fubara has eaten an humble pie. Okay, compromise judgment. How is it possible to present budget to assembly members who have lost their seat? Exactly. And nobody's looking at that. And that is to tell you that that matter is not going anywhere. Fubara is not going to happen. That is the truth. That is not going to happen. He's asking, ask Fubara, you illiterate GZs, can you imagine Gen Zs? You will not read the constitution and laws judging the operation, guiding the operation of the House vis-a-vis the executive. Okay, fate accomplished. Foolish to have trusted that Tinubu was mediating and so lose his hold at the court. Fubara did not remember William Shakespeare's words, the firstling of my heart shall be the firstling of my hands. Tinubu used presidential father influence to mislead Fubara. That matter is not going anywhere. Event has taken over. Let's just stop arguing it over here. That is the truth. And someone say nobody is interested. Let him fight on. Why must he wait to be disgraced and humiliated at the Supreme Court? Shame. He did not do anything. The noise will stop very soon. Capacity Speaker Martis Amaewhule, my man. For where? The truth, the matter is overtaken by event and it's not going anywhere. Let's stop being unnecessarily sentimental. He withdrew it because event has taken over. The issue of 2024 budget has passed. It's 2025 budget we are talking about here. And there's no Supreme Court will look at that matter again. The 2025 budget is one we are looking at, and they're challenging that one, and still that one is not going to go anywhere. The guy knows what he's doing. He's a very smart guy, and there's nothing they will do about it. So even if you say the budget of 2024 is invalid, but it has passed, it has passed. You can't represent it. We are talking about 2025 here, and that is why if they say pay that, I think he just did it to reduce the amount of court cases he's having. That is it. But he's moving on. The guy is moving on steadily. Nothing is stopping him. He's cruising. It's an auto cruise. So anybody that thinks that Fubara is being cowed is making mistake. Because the guy is calculating. The so-called four-man assembly is working with his own chief of staff and the commissioner for justice in the state. Those guys are just very, very intelligent. They understand the law. They know where and where to come from. They're even more organized than the Amaewhule and Wike's group. That is the truth. So the guy is smartly intelligent and he knows what he has done. He knows why he took that action. And there's nothing, they might be taking from the surface that he has lost, he's been cowed. He has not lost anything. He's not being cowed anything. The guy is moving on, he's moving on. He has withdrawn that case, and that case is dead. That is it. That case is dead. So that is it. Thank you for listening, and let's have your comments.